Welcome to Car Warrior 2025. Today, we bring you the ultimate muscle car, the 2025 Dodge Demon 170. A beast built for the drag strip, yet legal for the streets. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, performance, safety, and pricing. Buckle up. Exterior. The Demon 170 screams aggression with its wide-body stance, aerodynamic enhancements, and massive 315-section rear tires for superior grip. The menacing hood scoop, LED headlights, and signature Demon badging make it an instant head-turner. Available in multiple bold colors, including pitch black, triple nickel, and toured, it's a true muscle masterpiece. Performance. Under the hood lies a 6.2L supercharged HEMI V8, cranking out a jaw-dropping 1,025 horsepower on E85 fuel. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.66 seconds and dominates the quarter mile in 8.91 seconds, making it the fastest production muscle car ever. The modified suspension, lightweight wheels, and drag-focused transmission tuning ensure maximum performance. Interior. Step inside, and it's all about performance-driven luxury. The race-inspired seats offer superior support, and the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel enhances grip. A customizable digital cluster, Uconnect infotainment system, and premium audio add comfort, while a minimalist approach, like an optional single-seat setup, keeps it track-ready. Safety features. Despite its raw power, Dodge ensures safety with features like launch control, adaptive suspension, high-performance Brembo brakes, and stability control. Reinforced chassis and 6 airbags provide extra protection while racing down the strip or cruising the streets. Pricing. The 2025 Dodge Demon 170 starts at around $100,000, but with options and limited production, prices can climb well beyond that. Only a few lucky owners will get their hands on this drag racing legend. That wraps up our deep dive into the Dodge Demon 170. What do you think? Would you drive this beast? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Warrior 2025 for more thrilling car content. See you in the next one.